This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start in the Program Monitor and Lumetri panel. Make sure your sequence matches Rec. 709 or your target output. First, apply a technical LUT only if needed, then fix white balance using temp and tint controls. Next, correct exposure and contrast so skin tones sit midline. Use the waveform to avoid clipped highlights. Once done, enable the vector scope to confirm chroma balance, because seeing values is faster than guessing color shifts. This sets a stable foundation for creative work. Now focus on creative control. Adjust color wheels for shadows, midtones, and highlights to sculpt contrast and hue. Use curves for targeted contrast or individual channel tweaks. If a specific area needs work, create HSL secondaries or draw masks with the pen tool and track them. This lets you adjust skin or skies without affecting the whole frame. Once isolated, soften edges with feather and expand /contract to avoid halos. Finally, blend a gentle LUT or vignette to unify the scene. To finish, place an adjustment layer over the timeline and apply final global color wheels and curves so every cut matches. Once matched, toggle the layer on and off to confirm consistency, then export using your intended color space and codec. Make sure render settings preserve color, no recoding to wrong gamma. If the result looks too intense or shifted, go back to scopes, reduce problematic channels or lower saturation by a few %, and re-export. Small corrections often fix the perceived color cast quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.